Hello and welcome back. So in this video I will be talking about the draw section of AutoCAD and how to use these. First of all, I will start with line. As I have already discussed in the previous video, we will be using architectural units, that is feet and inches. So now drawing a line. To draw a line, first make a click anywhere and at a place which is desired by you to draw a line. Now, as I have already discussed, this is due to the polar mode, these horizontal and vertical lines. To draw a line of a specific length, type the length. This blue color highlighted portion tells about the length of the line. We can see that the line is about 170 feet in length, so we can bring it to the desired amount, whatever we want. Now suppose I want it to be 40 feet. Now here we have it. This line is of 40 feet. Now we want to draw another line. As I have already discussed about object snap. Object snap helps us to locate the end point easily, so we can draw the line continuing from that point onwards. Here we have it. We can draw it anywhere we want. Now I want it to be again 40 feet. Now if I press tab button, it will move on towards the angle. Here we have it. It is 22 degrees. We can change it whatever we want. Now that the length is fixed, you can see it is just moving like a circle with a fixed radius. Suppose I want to do it 45 degrees. Remember, this is degrees, not radians, so let's move it. This line formed is of 45 degrees to the horizontal and 40 feet in length. Now by using line, just line, we see that the lines formed are separate. Now I have formed two lines. Whether they are joined at this point, they are still separate. I will move our cursor upon them. They don't get colored as a whole. They are not the same blocks. So that is the main difference between line and polyline. Otherwise the function of both is the same. So now using polyline, the similar function is for the polyline too. Now here we are drawing the line. Again I will just use 40 feet. To put feet, the length of, we use apostrophe. We use apostrophe, which represents feet, and inverted commas, double inverted commas as inches. So now I have put the length as 40 feet. Now again I will put it as 40 feet at this angle. Here we have it. Now I will be telling that here we saw that there are two different pieces and this is a one big piece. Okay, I hope that it is clear now. Now to cancel the command, I will just press ESC, escape button, and just select all and clear the screen. I just recommend you to use a mouse, separate mouse, if you are using AutoCAD on a laptop, because it is not easy to use touchpad with it, and you might get in trouble by using it. It is a bit gets a bit complicated by using it. Now you are going for the circle. I will be telling about center radius, center diameter, 2 point and 3 point, the 10 radius and 10 are not so much necessary. So first, center and radius. We have to just, wherever we want to draw a circle, whatever center wherever we want, just click on that point and circle starts to make. In this we have to give it a radius. As the name suggests, it has a center and a radius. We have given it a center and now we need to give it a radius. Suppose I just put 45 feet, and this is a circle formed which has a radius of 45 feet and a diameter of 90 feet. The next thing is center and diameter. Again, the name suggests that we have to give it a center, and now the next thing will be giving it a diameter. Now again, as I have drawn a previous circle of 45 feet in radius and it had 90 feet diameter, now I will type 90 feet. This and this circle both are same, as both of them have the diameter of 90 feet and radius 45 feet. The next one, 2 point. We just have to give a circle 2 points, which are basically diameters. First point is the one end point of the circle, and the other end point is the distance between these 2 points is basically the diameter of the circle. So now I have given this point and I am going to make a circle at any other point. Now again I will just type 90 feet. Now this circle formed is also having a diameter of 90 feet and radius of 45 feet. Now the 3 point, it will ask for 3 points, not just 2 points. So I will type 40 feet. Now here we have it. Drawing 3 point circle is not so much easy, so here we have it. Again I will just type 40 feet. The first point is here, the second point is here, which I am just moving on the circle. So here we have it. Now I will just type it 90 feet. So these were the 4 circles which I have just drawn, and I hope that you all learned something from this video, and just please subscribe to this channel so that you can learn more about AutoCAD and make some innovations of your own. Thank you for watching.